Dear listeners and viewers, how are you? My name is Solomon Asefa, and by profession, I am a plant breeder in agricultural science. Today, I will attempt to briefly explain about the sorghum crop, the types of food that can be prepared from sorghum, and the health benefits of sorghum. As you watch this information, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you. Sorghum, a very common crop in Ethiopia, is the resource-conserving grain that is a friend to both soil and water. Sorghum have found it resistant to both heat and drought, requiring an amazing 30% less water than comparable grains. That's an annual savings so significant, it could supply the water usage of over 16 million homes. In general, sorghum is a daily staple for many Ethiopians. Particularly, people with fractures regularly consume sorghum in the form of admit and genfo. Moreover, sorghum is believed to be a healthy crop in the community, meaning everyone can tolerate it. When sorghum harvests are good, people have better produce, leading to numerous feasts and weddings. In Ethiopia, particularly in North and South Wallo zones, sorghum is used for the preparation of different food types. Have a look the below lists. 1. Injera, flatbread. The sorghum is ground into a flour, kneaded into a thick dough, left to injera ferment for 3 days, then hot water is added, and it is baked on wide griddle. 1 serving is eaten with meat or chickpea stew ground for lunch or dinner. 2. Kuda or mangeli, thick pancake. Sorghum flour is kneaded into a thick dough with water, baked on a griddle or iron pan, served with a wais, spicy sauce, and butter or milk. 3. Genfo, porridge. Especially white and sorghum is ground, mixed with hot water in an iron pot, and cooked while stirring. The cooked porridge is eaten with butter, oil, ground flaxseed, and hot pepper spice mix. For chipto, dumpling. Ground sorghum flour is kneaded into a thin dough, baked into a thick pancake on a griddle, then mixed with ground or crushed nug, Niger seed, or sesame while hot, and shaped into balls for serving. 5. Tella, traditional beer. Especially red sorghum is ground, baked into a hard pancake on a griddle or iron pan, then mixed with water, gesho, buckthorn, and barley malt, and left to ferment in a barrel for up to 4 days. Once fermented, it is served in cups like beer. It is alcoholic and intoxicating, but it is a good source of antioxidant. 6. Buker, non-alcoholic. Similar to tella, red sorghum is used, baked, mixed with water and barley malt, and fermented, but it is beverage and alcoholic. 7. Atmet, porridge drink. Ground sorghum flour is mixed thinly with water, cooked while stirring, and sugar is added. It is then served hot in cups. 8. Nifro, boiled. Mixed sorghum grains are mixed with chickpeas, maize, and beans, boiled in hot water in an iron pot until cooked, then eaten after cooling. 9. Tibs, roast. When sorghum reaches the milky stage, the sweet sorghum panicles are cut, split in half, roasted over charcoal, and eaten while rubbing them. It provides high energy. 10. Limt, soft-cooked sorghum. The matured but not yet dried sorghum panicles are cut, rubbed by hand, cooked while stirring on an iron pan, and eaten. 11. Kolo, roasted grain. After harvest, dried sorghum grains are roasted on an iron pan until they resemble white flowers, then eat. 12. Ariki, distilled liquor. Especially from sweet sorghum grains, the grains are traditionally used to produce high-alcohol ariki. Have a look how to prepare a traditional Ethiopian beer known as tella from sorghum. 1. The process begins with the creation of a starter, or tinsis, by mixing ground gesho powder, rhamnus prinoids, and crushed barley malt with water in a barrel. 2. This mixture is then sealed airtight and left to ferment for 3 to 4 days. 3. Once fermented, sorghum flour is kneaded with water and baked into dry flatbreads on a metal griddle. After cooling, these flatbreads are broken into pieces and added to the fermented tinsis. 4. The mixture is then thoroughly stirred with a long, thin stick, repeatedly, over at least for 1 day, to ensure the flatbreads are fully absorbed. 5. On the second day after adding the flatbreads, water is added to fill the container, a process referred to as zilal. 6. The barrel is then sealed again to maintain an airtight environment and left to ferment for another 4 days. 7. On the 4th day, the tella is ready to be served in cups. The quantity of gesho and barley malt used is determined by the amount of flatbreads prepared. While the exact proportions may vary, it's essential that the barley malt powder is less than the gesho powder, and the gesho powder is significantly less than the sorghum flour. The fermentation time for tella can vary depending on the ambient temperature. Warmer temperatures accelerate the fermentation process, resulting in a shorter preparation time. Tella is alcoholic and intoxicating, but it is a good source of antioxidant. The Ethiopian local tella, particularly when made with sorghum, can have antioxidant importance. This is largely due to the presence of phenolic compounds within the sorghum and also from the gesho plant used in the tella production. These compounds are known for their antioxidant properties, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Additionally, the fermentation process itself can enhance the presence of these beneficial compounds, contributing to the overall antioxidant capacity of the beverage. Research has shown that traditional Ethiopian fermented beverages like tella contain measurable levels of these antioxidants, and the level of these antioxidants can change based on the ingredients and preparation methods used. Antioxidants act as crucial protectors within our bodies by neutralizing harmful free radicals. They achieve this by donating an electron to these unstable molecules, effectively stabilizing them and preventing them from damaging cellular components like DNA, proteins, and lipids. This action reduces the risk of cellular damage and associated health problems. Free radicals are unstable molecules with unpaired electrons, making them highly reactive. They are produced naturally during metabolic processes and also introduced through external factors like pollution, smoking, and UV radiation. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between the production of free radicals and the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. This imbalance leads to cellular damage, contributing to aging in various chronic diseases. In essence, antioxidants are indeed scavengers of free radicals, playing a vital role in maintaining cellular health and preventing for oxidative stress. By stabilizing free radicals, they mitigate the potential cellular damage and contribute to overall well-being. Sorghum is a valuable source of diverse phenolic compounds that contribute to antioxidant benefits in humans, with a concentration especially high in pigmented varieties. Key compounds include phenolic acids like caffeic, ferulic, and gallic acids, flavonoids such as luteolin and apigenin, and unique 3-deoxyanthocyanidins like luteolinidin and apigeninidin, alongside tannins. These compounds work synergistically to combat oxidative stress, showing promise in protecting against various chronic diseases. Phenolic acids in sorghum, such as caffeic, ferulic, and gallic acids, offer a range of health benefits. Caffeic acid exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially protecting against chronic diseases. Ferulic acid, another potent antioxidant, may reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and has shown promise in neuroprotection. Gallic acid, known for its antioxidant, anti-cancer, and anti-inflammatory activities, can contribute to overall cellular health and disease prevention. Flavonoids like luteolin and apigenin also contribute significantly to sorghum's health benefits. Luteolin exhibits anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties, while apigenin has demonstrated similar effects, along with potential anxiolytic and neuroprotective qualities. Furthermore, the unique 3-deoxyanthocyanidins, luteolinidin and apigeninidin, found in sorghum, possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activities, potentially contributing to cardiovascular health and cancer prevention. Tannins, while sometimes considered anti-nutritional, also offer benefits due to their antioxidant and astringent properties, which can help regulate digestion and protect against certain diseases. These various phenolic compounds work synergistically to provide comprehensive health benefits, including protection against oxidative stress, inflammation, and chronic diseases, making sorghum a valuable component of a healthy diet. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.